Aloha and welcome to Aulani. Here we have the detail on the front door, and as we enter the room, you can see first the lush carpet with the palm detailing. As we go in, there's a lot of dark wood furnishings, which always feels luxurious and warm. And obviously we got a king room, since it's just the two of us this time. There is also a sleeper sofa over in that corner, so there is room for a couple more. There's a notepad and clock radio with built-in iPod speakers. Some Hawaiian art. I'm going to study this for some hidden Mickeys, but right off the bat I don't see any. May not be any on there. Light fixtures and these are the drapes. Have a nice Hawaiian print. And our lanai, which you might be able to see, we have a partial ocean view out there. Table and chairs with this rattan fabric on there. And a cute little Mickey lamp. Mickey playing the ukulele, the surfboard. Television armoire, Blu-ray DVD player. There's a refrigerator. And I'm not sure what's down here. Oh, hookups and things. Drawers. Coffee maker. Also looks like a little electric tea kettle down there. Never seen that in a hotel room before. The ice. Closet area. And then we enter the bathroom. There are two receptacle bins, one for recycling and one for trash. It's always nice. The soap. And I always like the little makeup mirrors. I think it's a nice touch for us ladies. And the Aulani specific soaps and things. And then the shower area I really like. I like this pebble detailing on the back. But then I really like this rain shower. And then they also have a separate handheld. Once again, this oil rubbed bronze. I love the dark fixtures and things. And the curtain, which looks a bit like the drapes in the room. And the robe, it's very sumptuous. It feels soft and wonderful. It's kind of a softer terry cloth inside, very, very soft though, and then kind of silky satiny on the outside. And then there, be a friend to the earth signs, not green this time. Ikomo mai. Then over here we have the toilet, and it has its own separate door. It's kind of nice. And a little bit more artwork. Artwork of, well, let's see, there. We've got Nemo. I found Nemo. But the picture, it says Huma Huma Nuka Nuku Apua'a, which is the state fish of Hawaii, also known as a Picasso triggerfish. There's your trivia lesson for the day. And that is the tour of the room. I hope you enjoyed. Mahalo, aloha, wiki wiki. Have a great day.